Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today, in this video, I bring some latest collection of some unique garden decoration ideas, some rustic stylish ideas that you can create it for your front yards or backyards, whether want to create a sitting arrangement over there or you can choose these sort of ideas as a more beautiful collection to make your gardens colorful with some floral decor with these rustic ideas combining together. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love it or create any of these collections for your garden decor. In this video, I bring some latest collection for your beautiful garden arrangements that you can perfectly create these sort of creative crafty ideas, choosing to create it from some recyclable items or make it more unique by choosing rustic furniture to color these sort of ideas and create these sort of looks with different planters to make it more unique and beautiful. These are some unique ideas that you can choose to create with some unique and elegant floral decorations that can be a perfect match for your overall garden decorations. You can choose different flowers like roses, tulips, orchids, and lilies can be grown in these sort of old recyclable ideas, or you can also create different fairy gardens or succulent planter ideas in it. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest collections for you. So viewers, I hope you will enjoy this video. If you have any request or query, do mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. If you really like this video and other ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. It helps me to grow my channel and also encourages me to bring some latest trendy collections for you. So viewers, keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. I hope you will love it. Thank you.